You may be asking yourself, what kind of home can I buy for under $350,000 in DFW? Behind me is brand new construction that I'll actually close on this home next week. And we got this one for just a shade over $330,000, and it is filled with updates. Now, before we check it out, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button for future videos and comment below with your favorite part of this home. So let's go and check it out. So walking in through this updated door, you'll see that throughout the whole home, we have this luxury vinyl plank wood look flooring, which is absolutely fantastic. Looks absolutely beautiful in this house. A secondary bedroom at the front of the house. And another one too. So we do have the updated secondary bathroom. We have that white subway tile with a beautiful light grey grout. Looks absolutely stunning. This home is just under 2,200 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with a game room that I'll show you right here, or could also be used as a study. You'll see the half bathroom here. We have the updated flooring. And again, that modern paint. Now, as I walk through, you will see some kind of blue tape on the floor. We've just done our blue tape walk with the builder. So just kind of pointing out some. This home is just under 2,200 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. It has a game room that I'll show you right here, and a study as well. Now, as we walk through the home, you will see some kind of little blue tape around the home. That's because we've just done our blue tape walk with the builder with just some little cosmetic touch-ups that we need to do with the painting. This would be considered your study. Again, you'll see that this beautiful luxury vinyl flooring go all the way throughout. You have the fireplace with the surrounded mantle, and then this beautiful white open kitchen, quartz countertops, gas range, stainless steel appliances. I'm in the beautiful subdivision of Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey, and this is with Highland Homes, who are a fantastic builder. And we'll head into the master bedroom now. You'll see we've got a ton of natural light coming through. The property makes this home so nice, light and bright. Love this master bathroom. Double vanities, high-end tile flooring. We have the bathtub and shower. Huge walk-in closet too. Look at the size of this thing. Goes up to 3 levels. So like I was saying, I am in Sandbrock Ranch. It is what is classed as a master planned community, which means that it has a number of amenities, which would include a pool, a gym, fitness center, lakes to do catch and release fishing. They have a tree house here, which is one of the only ones in Texas, and just really, really amazing community. For just over $330,000, you can get yourself some absolutely beautiful new construction, perfect to move into. My name is Mike Parrish. I'm a top producing real estate agent in the North Dallas area, and if you have any questions whatsoever about DFW or real estate in general, please do not hesitate to reach out to me at the information coming across the screen right now. Now, if you want more information about communities surrounding DFW, then please do not forget to check out my brand new website that launched just last week at www.mikefarish.com. That'll tell you all about tax rates, school districts, things to do in DFW, and so much more. Now, before we go, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more real estate videos. I appreciate you watching, and until next time, just remember that Brits sell best. Bye-bye.